Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is what I ate today to keep a flat stomach as a middle-aged man. And stay tuned through the video because I'm going to show you what I ate today, and I'm going to have the full macro breakdown at the end as well with the protein, fat, carbs, and total calories. And if you're new to my channel, I've been eating a lower protein plant-based diet for about 12 years or so. I enjoy calisthenic strength training workouts. I do some running a couple of days a week, and I keep everything pretty simple. So make sure you check out some of my other playlists. I have a workout playlist talking about more about my workouts, and I have a what I eat playlist going into that more as well. But here for today, I did my workout normally at 11 a.m. and then I broke my fast at 1 p.m., which is very typical. I just drink water throughout the morning, and then I have my first meal at around 1 p.m. I generally stop eating around 7 p.m., so I'm fasting for around 18 hours a day as well. So on this day, I broke my fast at 1 p.m. and I made a smoothie, and this thing had 3 dates. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had 1 tablespoon of all-natural peanut butter, 5 frozen ripe bananas, and it actually had 6 frozen ripe bananas, but they were smaller, so I just counted it as 5 towards the daily intake. And I throw in my bananas, actually I freeze them with the peel on, nice and ripe, and then I throw them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes and they thaw out, and it has a really good consistency with the smoothie. It also had 1 cup of almond milk and about 1 cup of coconut water. And there it is. It's a really delicious combination, makes just over a liter. Go ahead and try that out. Let me know what you think. Then my second meal was at 4 p.m. I had a peach, a banana, and some of this oatmeal. I was at a coffee shop working, so it was nice and convenient. Then dinner was at 7 p.m. I had a salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, craisins, tomatoes, sunflower seeds. And just after the salad, I had this huge bowl of minestrone soup. That was from Trader Joe's. And I had 2 slices of toasted sourdough bread. It had some Earth Balance and some Parmesan on it. So that was it for the day. The total was 2,847 calories. 437 grams of net carbs, 70 grams of fiber, 82 grams of fat, and 63 grams of protein. So make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have it in the description box below the video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.